In this example, we are giving ChatGPT a prompt that we are applying for a position of a full stack Python engineer at OpenAI, and we want it to write an official style email where we're saying that we are interested in the position we've seen on the OpenAI website, and we have a required skill and experience that it will be great fit for the role. And we're asking to write a cover letter as well. So here is the output. And it is actually pretty decent text. With no problems, it is giving us an example of an email you would send to the hiring manager. And also it provides us with a cover letter mentioning all stuff we have mentioned in our prompt. So pretty good job, I would say. Considering how much of this stuff you need to write repetitively when you are hunting for a job, I would say it will save a lot of time for you in this job hunting spree, especially when you need to customize each application for a particular employer.